Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, can we take a moment to appreciate this beautiful animal print nail art design? I am a huge fan of animal prints and I think they look so chic and classy, be it a fabric or even your nail art design. I think uploaded a couple of videos with different types of animal print nail art designs, but I have never used a stamping plate to create one. So I'm going to try a stamping nail art design today, and that will be a tiger print design. With Halloween around the corner, this will be a perfect design for the Halloween party as well. I'm so excited to share it with you. But before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. I post at least 2 videos every week and one of them has to be a nail art design. So for this nail art design, I'll be using 2 different types of orange nail polishes. The first one is from Lakme. This is from their Color Crush collection in number M8 and it looks so thick and creamy. It dries off to a semi-matte look and looks really cool. If you want to see a full swatch and review of this nail polish, it's already up on my channel and will be linked in the description box for you. To start with, I am going to paint my pinky as well as my thumbnail in this gorgeous semi-matte nail polish from Lakme. And then I will be using simple black nail polish from New You. I really love New You nail polishes because they are really affordable and are of good quality as well. Most of them go opaque in just 1 or 2 coats, and that's really amazing for such an affordable nail polish. So I'm going to paint my ring finger in this black nail polish like so. This nail art design is a combination of tiger print and some polka dots. I added a couple of polka dots on few of my nails for this nail art design as I thought that animal print looks so classy and fierce at the same time, and the polka dots would tone it down a little bit and make it look cute at the same time as well. Now I'm going to paint my middle fingernail as well as my pointer fingernail with 2 coats of white nail polish, and that is because the orange nail polish that I am going to use over these 2 nails is a bit on sheer side. This is a really gorgeous orange shade from Maybelline. It's called Orange Fix in number 214, but it's really shame that it turned out to be really sheer and one needs to apply a couple of coats for it to get to an opaque look. So that's the reason I had to paint my nails in white base first. You can see that even after painting it with my white base, I had to actually apply 2 coats of this orange nail polish to make it work. But anyway, now I'm going to start with my stamping process. And so for that I'm going to use this beautiful stamping plate from Born Pretty, and I'll be using this tiger print for 2 of my fingernails. Again, I'm going to use my regular Born Pretty stamping nail polish, the stamper, the scraper for stamping the design. So I'll go ahead and quickly paint both of my nails with the second layer of this orange nail polish. Look how gorgeous it looks after it turns opaque. As you can see here, under the light it almost looks like a neonish orange shade. Such a lovely nail polish. Now let's start with the stamping process. So I'm going to paint the image with the black stamping polish, then scrape off the extra and pick up the image over my stamper, then placing it over my nail like so. As I explained in my previous video, a lot of time this happens that when you stamp the design or image over your nail, it does not settles well. So you might need to press it down a little bit using a brush or your finger to make it settle complete flat over your nail. So I'm going to repeat the same stamping image over my middle fingernail as well, like so. It's already looking so pretty. If some part of your nail didn't get covered with the stamping image, just use whatever is left over on your stamper Especially for these kind of animal prints, it does not matter. You don't have to pick the image again. You can just reuse whatever you have left on your stamper to stamp it over your nail, and it's going to make it look complete. Now I'm going to do a simple dotticue design on rest of my nails, but on the orange base I'm going to use the black nail polish to make the polka dots using this medium-sized dotting tool. If you don't have a medium-sized dotting tool, you can always use the back side of the toothpick. It is going to give you similar size dots like I am doing here. On the black base though, I'm going to use the orange nail polish, the one from Lakme, because it was really thick, and make some orange polka dots in order to tie the whole design together. I always start making polka dots from the middle, so I make a row of polka dots starting from the middle of the nail, and then I fill in the sides, the left and the right side, with a few more polka dots to complete the design on the nail. See how pretty it is looking already. Now the last step, as always, is to apply a really good layer of top coat. Never skip this step because top coat protects your manicure from chipping off, and also at the same time it gives your manicure a beautiful glossy look. At the end I decided to just cover the pinky as well as the thumbnail with the glossy top coat as well. Although the nail polish base that I used was in semi-matte look, I don't know, for some reason I want to go complete glossy with this nail art design. So I went ahead and painted all my nails in this glossy top coat, and I really like how it looks. First of all, I really love this orange and black combination. It's one of my favorites anyway. And then this tiger print as well as the polka dot combination has come together so beautifully, and this complete nail art design is looking so gorgeous. I mean, it looks chic, classy as well as cute because of those polka dots. What do you think? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and also let me know which color combinations would you use if you were to recreate this nail art design. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly post 2 videos per week related to nail art and nail polish reviews. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.